Hi. Not really camera ready. It's scruffy today. It's cleaning day, and it's floor cleaning today, which I haven't done for a while. And I've been meaning to share this on social for ages. I live in a really small space, and so maximising that space is everything. Making sure that I get things that can flat pack and really clean and easy. Anyway, I needed to buy a floor cleaning machine product, mop thing, and I did a lot of research across online, and I found this product on Amazon a while ago, and I just really rate it, so I really wanted to share it with you. So it's a mop bucket that completely flat packs. Can you see that? It's one of those pop-up ones, so it's just so easy to store. Unlike big buckets, it will go in like a really small space, which is what I needed, given that I live in a really tiny apartment. And you can see that it's got an automatic cleaner, so I'm going to show you how that works in a minute. And it came with, like, I think 6 of these pads, and it came with a mop, and the mop is flat pack as well. So if you can imagine storing all of that as your mop, it's really simple. It's tiny, right? But it's a great mop. So obviously you would put this thing together really quick and easy. So being able to, I've done this wrong. I've put the wrong end up on there. So being able to build, so you've got a full length mop that just screws together really quick. And then literally your mop head just velcros straight on like that. So really quick and easy, doesn't come off. It's really strong. Even when it's soaking wet with water, it won't come off. I haven't done that perfectly, so let me just do that. There we go. Get it on right. And it says that you probably need a load more of these within 6 months, but I've had this, I don't know, 7-8 months now, and I still haven't used 5 of them. And when I use one, this is the one I've been using all the time, I've been putting it in the washing machine after, so I give it a rinse and then I put it on a quick cycle on the washing machine, and it comes up beautifully, so I don't need to keep buying any. So I would say that this is fantastic value for money as well, because these things are going to last you years just from the initial buy. So there is your mop, and as you can see, the head just turns any which way, and because it's square, it gets into corners amazingly. So let me show you this pop-up bucket. There we go. Really easy, really deep. Can you see that, how deep that is compared to me? That's really deep. That's probably about 50 centimeters, and as you can see, you've got the cleaning device inside, and you've got this little handle that completely goes flush, so it's really great for storing, obviously, as I said earlier. So let's put some water in and get mopping. Okay, so I'm going to add some water to my floor mop bucket, and the instructions say to make sure that it goes just over here. You'll see why when I go to mop it, but you need to fill it up to just halfway, so it's just up to here basically. That's filling up nicely. I've got a mixture of floor cleaner and bleach in there. If I check where the levels are, no, it still needs a little bit more. I'm just going to keep filling that. Ooh, there it goes. Okay, so we filled the bucket up with water, and we've got our mop, and we're going to put our mop in, and it clips on to that section in the middle, and you just get it nice and wet, and then bring it up, disengage so that this goes up and down. Can you see that? Can you see it just spins like that, really easy? And then when you want it to stop, put the brake on again, pull it up and get mopping. So I'll show you that in a minute. Let me just do a bit of mopping for you. You can see this thing is it just glides. This thing glides. It's so impressed with it. This is not a sponsored post. I'm posting this off my own back So I just think that this is an incredible mop. Incredible. So let me push that bucket, because obviously I want to bring this closer. So I really want you to see how this works. Right. There we go. Right. Okay, so as I said, it's dirty right now. Clipping it into that section in the middle. And I'm just going to take the brake off, and it's going to swizz around in that water, rinsing all the dirt off. And then what I do is to take all the water out of the sponge so I can keep mopping. I pull the mop up, and it goes into a position where it sits above the water, and it's still on that main section, and it just spinning. So easy. And then to stop, put the brake on, pull it up, and it's ready to mop again. Amazing. Right, let me show you mopping again.